Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and if you're returning, thank you for watching this video. So today I have a very exciting haul. So I'm doing a Zaful haul. I have ordered from Zaful before, but I decided to order from them again because I really love their swimsuits last summer. So this summer I put in an order and I thought I would just do a try on haul. So I got 4 different bathing suits and they come in these little Ziploc bags, and honestly these are so cute if you travel or even just to put them in here, you know, after you go swimming, before you go swimming, going to the beach, whatever. So I really like that they do come in these bags, and you can also store them in here. So I don't know if they still have the tags on or not, but yes, I do. So note the names are not. I will try to find all of these swimsuits and link them down below, but this is the first one. So all of the swimsuits that I got are in a US 6. So these are the bottoms. They are, it's like a rusty color and it's kind of ribbed, and these are high-waisted, so they come up onto your hips pretty high. And then the top is, it's a in the front here, it just has a little clip and you can just clip it together like so. And then that's the back. Adjustable straps. This one is so cute and I cannot wait to wear this. I love this color and I love this style, and this is one of my favorite ones that I got. So the second one is in this bag. So again, I tried to get bathing suits that I don't have anything like them, don't have any colors or styles like it, because I'm very into buying things lately that I have nothing like, because then I would just look in my closet and have just a bunch of the same things. So I'm trying to venture out. This, I don't know what this pattern is called, but it's so cute. I love this so much. So again, it's a high-waisted, comes up high on the hips. And it's like a wine red or like a berry color, whatever you want to say that. And then this is the top. So it's got this cute little knot in it, like that. And then there are 3 adjustables, so you can adjust it and so adjust the back as well. So this one is super cute, and this one does come with padding. So if you prefer padding in your swimsuits, this one has padding, whereas the other one that I just showed you does not. Okay, so then the next swimsuit is this guy here. I love this. I don't have any yellow swimsuits, so very excited for this one. So this one here is a bandeau top. This is so cute, and it does have padding as well. And it comes with this little strap that you can tie around and then put it around your neck if you want to, but I think I would just honestly keep it as a bandeau. And this is a slip-on, so there's no opening, which is also really interesting. I don't have anything like that, so you don't have to worry about it opening or whatever, anything like that. And then these are the bottoms. These are so cute. So they are a bit more on the fuller coverage side, but they're so cute. And I love how on the there's like a seam there just for a little bit of extra detail, and I love this suit so much. Okay, and then for the last swimsuit that I got, I don't know, I've been saying that they're all my favorites, but this is probably my #1 favorite swimsuit because I've been wanting something like this for so long. And I finally found it on Zaful, believe it or not. So this is it. Okay, I'm already obsessed. So these are the bottoms. These are so cute. So on the side they have like these little ruching details, and then again they come up high on the waist, and it's like this cheetah print. It's so adorable. Then the top is even cuter. So the top has that ruching frilly detail all around the top, the bottom of the top, and it's a bandeau top as well. It'll be better when you see it on. And then in the back, to tie it up, there are 2 bows, and it is just the cutest little thing ever, and I am so obsessed. So those are all of the swimsuits that I bought from Zaful, and I'm very happy with all of them, very impressed. They are really amazing qualities for the affordability. Like, if you haven't checked out Zaful, I will have all of these swimsuits linked below, and then I will also have the Zaful website linked below. And honestly, I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend that you check them out and go and buy something, because literally you can't go wrong. So that's everything that I got from Zaful. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. I also just wanted to say, already you can go and check out my other haul. I uploaded a Boohoo haul the other day, and I also wanted to say that I have a new uploading schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, so I will be uploading videos 3 times a week. If there are any specific videos that you want me to film and upload, just leave a comment down below, and I will for sure take those ideas into consideration. And also, if you haven't already, you can follow me on my Instagram. I will have it linked down below. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!